Hello, I'm Anita and I'm currently attending Teaching EFL to Young Learners EVOS course. I'm here to present you the layout of the course. In the upper left corner, we've got several drop-down menus, the first one being dedicated to the course itself. In the second one, you can check all the participants taking part in the course. The third one is grades, where basically you can see all grades awarded to you while completing the tasks. In the content bank, you can find the content that you store throughout the course or courses. Badges awarded for task completion are in the fifth drop-down menu. And in the section More, you can either unenroll from the course or download course content. On the right side of the screen, there are several things. Notifications, messages, and a drop-down menu where you can check accessibility, change settings of your profile, see grades, calendar, messages, or simply log out. Then there is a blog drawer with the latest announcements, upcoming events, activities, and my favorite part is the completion progress, where you can quickly check how much of a particular course or the tasks have you completed so far, whether your answers have been checked, graded, or not. In the central part of the screen, there is an overview and syllabus where you can see how long will the course last. Also, there are dates when particular weeks are opening and closing. As you can see, we are currently attending week 1, getting acquainted. So below, there are tasks listed along with the course material, videos, and forums where the participants can post. Also, there is a short summary of week 1 with the expected outcomes of the tasks.